there, and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel we focus on credit, finances, and money management. Now in today's video, I'll be talking about how to establish business credit for those of you in my audience who are either entrepreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs. Now before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. So first, let's talk about why it is important to establish credit for your business. So we know on the consumer side that you have a credit score and a credit report from the three reporting bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. So you essentially want to have the same thing for your business. And the reason why is because when you are first starting out as an entrepreneur and you do not have any business credit, and let's say you want to apply for a credit card or a business loan, you personally have to guarantee that loan. Meaning, if your business cannot pay back the debt, you are personally liable to repay that debt. So this is why you want to eventually establish business credit so you can truly separate your personal credit and finances from your business. Now, the other thing that's important about having business credit that you will be able to obtain financing once you are ready to grow and expand your business. And to take it one step further, if you can establish good credit and great payment history, you can also qualify for really low interest rates. So once you are ready to establish credit for your business, here are some things to keep in mind. Now, when it comes to your business credit score, it will usually fall in the range anywhere from 0 to 100. And there are three major reporting bureaus as well. And that is Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. Now, in the event you want to actually look at your business's credit profile and credit scores, you will have to pay a fee to each bureau to do so. Now, also, just keep this in mind as well. The information on these bureaus is not private. So anyone that's willing to pay the fee can do so and actually look at the credit profile of your business. So definitely keep this in mind as you start to build and establish credit for your business. Now, before applying for credit for your business, you should first consider creating a separate legal entity for your business, either an LLC or a corporation. Now, the requirements in each state is going to be different, so definitely check out the requirements in your state before doing so. Next, you want to obtain an EIN number from the IRS, which is an employee identification number. Now, it is free to get this number. You will just need to go on the IRS's website and fill out an application to do so. Next thing is that you should consider opening a business bank account. Now, before you can do that, you will need to complete those first two steps that we just talked about, meaning creating a separate legal entity and getting an EIN number. Now, let's talk about what options you can consider once you are ready to establish credit for your business. Now, the easiest option to consider would be to apply for an actual credit card. Now, one great option on the market is the Wells Fargo secured business credit card. Now, I do like this option for those of you who may not have good credit personally, but you need to establish credit for your business. So this is definitely a great option. So the minimum deposit is $500, and you do have the ability to earn 1.5% cash back. Now, if you do have strong credit or relatively good credit, you can consider applying for business credit cards with Capital One, Chase, or American Express. Now, these banks do have a number of credit card options where you can earn cash back, points, and rewards, etc. But keep in mind, these cards tend to have higher spending requirements to get a sign-on bonus. So definitely make sure to do your research to find a credit card that meets the needs of your business and that you can realistically meet the spending requirements if you are interested in earning credit card bonuses. Now, another option that you can consider in order to establish business credit is to work with and purchase from vendors that report payments to the credit bureaus. Now, this is really only going to work if you have vendors that you purchase from frequently throughout the year. And if you do, definitely contact them to find out if this is an option for you. Now, if you have a product that you have used to establish credit for your business, make sure to put that in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you guys are using for your own businesses. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.